The internet has changed the way we do our business because our prospects don't need us to take them out for lunch. They don't need to learn about us because they have the ability to go online and search on us. So if our prospects, if our buyers have buyer's intelligence, what are you doing to know the other person before you walk in the room? People do business with people who they like, who they trust, who provide value. And it's the accumulation of little things that prove to the other person that you can connect with them. It's about asking great questions so you can engage in meaningful and authentic dialogue and really show the other person that you care. You know, a lot of people think that I'm that Google guy. I'm going to come in and teach you how to use the internet. And that's true. I am going to teach you how to use the tools you already use every day. I'm going to introduce you to the invisible web, websites that you've never even heard of. But it's the why that's most important. What percentage of the free and publicly accessible internet do you think Google even gets to? 5? Who said 5? I heard 5 over here. You're wrong, by the way. It's not 5%. You look like a nice guy.
15 years of being an event manager, hands down one of the best sessions I've ever attended.
There are billions of files that people post online. Sometimes they're secure. Sometimes they're not, if you know how to find them. How do you find documents and files? You use what's called a file type colon search. And without ever clicking on a link, what do I learn? Deb donates to Minneapolis Jewish Family Children's Service, Tomator of Minneapolis, the Jewish Day School, and Bethel Synagogue. Why do I care? Because if I'm meeting with Deb on December 21st, what do I not say? Merry Christmas, okay? It's a little thing. Now, am I gonna lose the business if I say Merry Christmas? No. She's looking at 3 other people. I walk in and I say Happy Hanukkah, and it just puts me a little bit higher. If somebody gave you that information, do you think you'd ask better questions? Do you think you'd connect on a personal level? That's the power of this stuff.
It was humorous, he delivered a great message. It was just amazing.
This was incredible. I can't say enough about it. We're all going back and going to be talking about all of these things that we learned today.
There's your phone number. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath house, 3,404 square feet, approximately a half acre.
He's a complete and total professional. He has delivered more content in a shorter period of time than really almost anybody else that I've ever worked with in this industry over the last 25 years.
Now I grab the person's name, go back into LinkedIn, paste the name in, part of the company name. LinkedIn says, well, geez, you must know that person if you've got that much information. Here you go.
He gave everyone the chills in the audience. He was so spectacular.
More time is going to be saved, which ultimately is going to lead to better profitability. Second to none.
Sam Richter was the best presenter that we've ever had at one of these events.
Would I have gotten any of that the old way? No. Give people permission to tell their stories. You connect with people. You find something relevant. It's exciting. At the end of the day, it comes down to you. You are the most important person at this company for your client.